Broccoli often gets a bad rap. Kids turn their noses up at it, adults relegate it to the side of their plates. But hold on, broccoli is a true superhero in disguise. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. This veggie is a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Broccoli is like the Clark Kent of the vegetable world. Unassuming at first glance, but hiding incredible powers. It's time to give broccoli the respect it deserves. Get ready to discover the delicious world of this amazing vegetable. You might just find your new favorite food. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of broccoli? Let's dive in and explore why this veggie is a true champion of healthy eating. Get ready for a delicious adventure. Broccoli is like a tiny tree with its florets resembling miniature canopies. These little green wonders are not just visually appealing but are also packed with an array of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Its florets are bursting with goodness, each bite delivering a powerful punch of essential vitamins and minerals. But what exactly makes broccoli so special? Why should you consider adding more of it to your diet? Let's uncover the nutritional magic within these little green trees. Broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a wide range of health benefits that can support your overall well-being. First up, broccoli is bursting with vitamins. It's like nature's multivitamin, providing a variety of essential nutrients in every bite. We're talking vitamin C to boost your immune system, helping you fend off colds and infections. We're talking vitamin K for strong bones, ensuring your skeletal system stays robust and healthy. And don't forget the B vitamins for energy. These vitamins play a crucial role in converting food into energy, keeping you active and vibrant throughout the day. Broccoli is like a multivitamin you can eat, but wait, there's more. It's not just about vitamins. Broccoli is also rich in other essential nutrients. Broccoli is also packed with fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestion, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. Plus, broccoli is low in calories and fat. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing nutrition. It's the perfect food for a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating broccoli into your meals can help you achieve a balanced diet and support your overall health. So, next time you see broccoli, remember its hidden powers. It's not just a side dish, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can enhance your health in many ways. It's a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a humble vegetable. Ready to get cooking? Whether you steam it, roast it, or eat it raw, broccoli is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless delicious ways. Broccoli is a versatile veggie. You can eat it raw, but cooking broccoli brings out its best flavors. Don't worry, cooking broccoli is super easy. Let's learn 3 simple methods: roasting, steaming, and stir-frying. Roasting broccoli brings out its natural sweetness. The florets turn crispy and caramelized. Steaming broccoli keeps it tender and vibrant green. It's the perfect way to preserve its nutrients. Stir-frying broccoli is quick and easy. It's a great way to add broccoli to any meal. No matter how you cook it, broccoli is a delicious and healthy addition to your plate. So get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different cooking methods. You might just surprise yourself with how much you love broccoli. Roasting broccoli is my favorite way to cook it. It's so simple, and the results are incredible. Imagine crispy, caramelized florets bursting with flavor. That's the magic of roasted broccoli. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop your broccoli into bite-sized florets. Toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread the florets on a baking sheet. Roast for about 20 minutes or until tender and slightly charred. You can customize your roasted broccoli with different seasonings. Try garlic powder, onion powder, or even a sprinkle of cheese. Get creative and make it your own. Roasting broccoli is easy, delicious, and a surefire way to impress your family and friends. Section 5. Steaming broccoli's gentle touch. Tender, vibrant, full of life. Steaming broccoli is the perfect way to preserve its vibrant green color and nutrients. When you steam broccoli, you lock in its natural goodness, ensuring that every bite is packed with vitamins and minerals. This method is particularly beneficial because it helps retain the broccoli's texture and flavor, making it a delightful addition to any meal. It's a gentle cooking method that results in tender, flavorful broccoli. Plus, it's super easy. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a pot, some water, and a steamer basket. This simplicity makes steaming an accessible option for anyone looking to eat healthier without spending too much time in the kitchen. Simply fill a pot with about an inch of water and bring it to a boil. The boiling water creates steam, which gently cooks the broccoli without submerging it in water. This method helps to maintain the broccoli's vibrant color and crisp texture, which can often be lost in other cooking methods like boiling. Place your broccoli florets in a steamer basket and set it over the boiling water. Make sure the water doesn't touch the broccoli, as this will ensure that the steam circulates evenly around the florets, cooking them uniformly. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, tender crisp texture. Cover the pot and steam for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the broccoli is tender crisp. Keep an eye on the time, as overcooking can lead to mushy broccoli. The goal is to achieve a texture that is tender yet still has a slight crunch, providing a satisfying bite. Steamed broccoli is a blank canvas for flavor. Once it's cooked, you can season it in countless ways to suit your taste. Whether you prefer a simple seasoning or something more elaborate, steamed broccoli can adapt to any flavor profile. Drizzle it with olive oil and lemon juice. This combination adds a fresh, zesty flavor that complements the natural taste of the broccoli. The olive oil provides a rich, smooth texture, while the lemon juice adds a bright, tangy note. Sprinkle it with sesame seeds and a pinch of red pepper flakes. The possibilities are endless. You can also try adding garlic, Parmesan cheese, or even a dash of soy sauce for an Asian twist. Experiment with different herbs and spices to find your perfect combination. Steaming is a healthy and delicious way to enjoy broccoli at its best. Not only does it preserve the vegetable's nutrients, but it also enhances its natural flavors. So next time you're looking for a quick, nutritious side dish, remember that steamed broccoli is always a great choice. Broccoli and create a complete meal in minutes. Section 7. Broccoli. Beyond the basics recipes to tantalize your taste buds, welcome to a culinary adventure where broccoli takes center stage. This humble vegetable is about to become the star of your kitchen. Now that you've mastered the basics of cooking broccoli, let's get creative. Broccoli is not just a side dish, it's a versatile ingredient that can elevate any meal. From soups to snacks and even main courses, the possibilities are endless. Broccoli is a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless recipes. Whether you're looking to add a nutritious boost to your meals or simply want to try something new, broccoli is your go-to vegetable. Its unique texture and flavor make it a perfect addition to a variety of dishes. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Let's dive into some mouth-watering recipes that will make you see broccoli in a whole new light. First up, broccoli cheddar soup. This creamy, cheesy soup is the ultimate comfort food. Imagine a bowl of warm, velvety soup on a cold day with the rich flavors of cheddar cheese and the wholesome goodness of broccoli. This creamy, cheesy soup is the ultimate comfort food. It's perfect for a chilly evening or a light lunch. Pair it with some crusty bread and you have a meal that's both satisfying and delicious. It's perfect for a chilly evening or a light lunch. Next, broccoli fritters. These crispy fritters are packed with flavor and make a delicious appetizer or snack. They're easy to make and can be served with a variety of dipping sauces. These crispy fritters are packed with flavor and make a delicious appetizer or snack. Imagine biting into a golden brown fritter, with a crispy exterior and a tender, flavorful interior. It's a taste sensation you won't forget. And for a taste of Italy, try broccoli pesto pasta. This vibrant dish is both flavorful and healthy. The combination of fresh broccoli, basil, garlic, and Parmesan cheese creates a pesto that's bursting with flavor. This vibrant dish is both flavorful and healthy. It's a great way to get your daily dose of veggies. Serve it with a side salad or some garlic bread, and you have a meal that's both nutritious and delicious. It's a great way to get your daily dose of veggies. So what are you waiting for? Get creative in the kitchen and explore the endless possibilities of broccoli. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, these recipes are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? The kitchen is your playground and broccoli is your versatile ingredient. Experiment with different flavors and techniques to create dishes that are uniquely yours. Get creative in the kitchen and explore the endless possibilities of broccoli. From soups and snacks to main courses and sides, broccoli can do it all. Happy cooking. Section 8. Broccoli Cheddar Soup, a creamy hug in a bowl. Let's talk about broccoli cheddar soup. This soup is like a warm hug on a chilly day. It's creamy, cheesy, and packed with the goodness of broccoli. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to make. Start by sautéing some onions and garlic in a pot. Add chopped broccoli florets and vegetable broth. Simmer until the broccoli is tender. Blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Stir in sharp cheddar cheese until melted and gooey. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with croutons, fresh parsley, or a dollop of sour cream. This soup is pure comfort food bliss. It's a delicious and satisfying way to enjoy broccoli. Section 9. Broccoli's grand finale. Eat well, live well, enjoy every bite. Broccoli might seem like a humble vegetable, but it's a true superstar. Packed with nutrients, easy to cook, and incredibly versatile, broccoli deserves a place on your plate. Eating well doesn't have to be boring. Embrace the deliciousness of well-cooked broccoli. Experiment with different cooking methods. Get creative with recipes. Most importantly, enjoy every bite. Cooking and eating should be a joyful experience, so go forth, embrace the power of broccoli, and discover a world of flavor and good health. Happy cooking!